Hey kiddos, so this week we have a brand new sight word and it is two, T-O, two. And this letter, or this word can be spelled different ways. Like T-O means, like you can use like you go to somewhere or something that you like to do. Or you can say T-W-O, which is a number, two, or T-O-O, which means also. So T-O, two. And you just have to remember that the O says oo on this one. It's kind of a rule breaker of a word. So let's practice reading this word in a sentence. Okay? Let's start here. I like to see a dog and a cat. You try it. I like to see a dog and a cat. Let's read this next sentence. We like to jump. You help me. We like to jump. Very good. Okay, my class, be sure to watch for two in your activities that you're going to be doing this week. You're going to be doing a read and color where you read sight words on a picture and they will tell you, that'll let you know how you're supposed to color that page. And I want you to try and think of a sentence that uses to, like I like when I get to go to bed at night. You probably don't like that, but I like when I get to go to bed. So you think of what you like to do and use it in a sentence and tell an adult around you. Bye.